excited.
We've got a big old...
Okay, bro.
Mommy's in the snow.
I need a picture.
The camera's in my purse.
Yeah, I kind of stood down inside.
Where are we? Flagstaff, Arizona?
Flagstaff, Arizona.
Yeah.
Know where you could dinner? Right there by the pool area? There's a lot of snow right there.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Well, this sweet
Yay!
Oh, this is my eyes.
1, 2, 3.
Say hi, guys.
Come on, Lloyd.
Is there a digital camera?
No, it's a video camera.
Lloyd's got the camera up there.
Oh, I see.
Hurry.
Okay, Howie's next,
Howie,
Lloyd.
let's go, Howie.
No, it's cool. I'll save it for over there. I'm fine. Okay, a little red light won't indicate. Get some of that forest. Sure. I'm gonna get this side. My window's a little. You want to lower my window for a quick sec, Don? Like this. Hey, Stanley. Guys, would you like to say anything as we embark to the Grand Canyon? Oh. Sorry about that.
Okay.
You guys probably stuck. Yeah. Officially the worst driving conditions any of us have ever been in.
Sticking out the window.
But we still determined to see the Grand Canyon. Donnie, get your... There you go, I can handle now, but... Alright, but I'll say now, okay? Stay on the road here.
Work? Is it on?
Yeah, it's ready to go. Very nice.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, yeah?
Howie, you do?
Watch out behind you.
Need your gloves.
Oh, that one hurt.
Oh, shit. Dude, this is cool, dude. Not that cold.
See,
Right at you.
okay, throw it.
You want to get that 3D look? Hold on. Gary, as you were saying, Donnie, the road to Vegas. Hopefully we'll get there. If we don't, this will be our last footage.
The Blair Witch Project is found amongst them.
We were crazy enough to go down this road without snow tires. Our next shots will be from the city of sin. Till then, pray for us.